Dear students. Today we will start new unit learning. Now let's discuss meaning and definitions and characteristics of learning. Meaning of learning. Learning is said to be equivalent to change, modification, development, improvement, and adjustment. It is not confined to school learning, cycling, reading, writing, or typing, but it is comprehensive term which leaves permanent effects or impressions on the individual. Some of definitions of learning are as Thorndike's view. Learning is mechanical and blind process devoid of intelligent or conscious determination. It is a process of establishing simple connection between sensory stimuli and appreciate responses and does not involve mediation by any ideas, reasoning, or thinking. Learning, therefore, is trial and error process. In the initial traits, there are a large number of errors, but as trials are repeated, the number of errors is generally reduced. Now, let's discuss Skinner's definition. Learning includes both acquisition and retention. Learning is acquiring knowledge or skills by mere mechanical repetitions. It is a process in which the learner organizes different elements and experiences to reach to particular goal. Learning is the process of coordination in behavior. Hillgard's definition. Learning is process by which an activity originates or is changed through reacting to an encountered situation, provided that the characteristics of the changed activity cannot be explained on the basis of native responses, tendencies, maturation, or temporary states of organisms like fatigue or effect of drugs. Crow and Crow. Crow and Crow are of the view that learning involves the acquisition of habits, knowledge, attitudes. It involves new ways of doing things and it operates in an individual attempts to overcome obstacles to adjust to new situations. It represents progressive change in behavior. इसी तरह Jacob learning is lifelong process of transmitting information and experience into knowledge, skills, behavior, and attitudes. This definition states that learning is lifelong and continuous process. Now, dear students, let us discuss characteristics of learning. इसमें नंबर 1 आता है progressive change in behavior. Learning brings progressive change in behavior as the individual reacts to the situation and why learning is known as improvement. Second, learning is motivated by adjustment. The individual has to adjust to new environment. Learning is universal in nature. Third इसका आता है all animals learn. Man is rational animal and learns more. Learning is never-ending growth. We always inspire to learn more and more. One achievement leads to further incentive, pursuit, and effort. Learning is continuous. Learning is continuous process and not restricted to childhood period. It goes with life. Death is its end point. This was all about these characteristics of learning. In next class, we will discuss types of learning.